The Water Heater Warehouse, your trusted water heater repair company in Fullerton, CA, is here to ensure you enjoy hot water whenever you need it. Our skilled technicians specialize in fast and efficient water heater repairs, offering prompt service and competitive rates. Don't let a malfunctioning water heater disrupt your comfort. Contact the Water Heater Warehouse today for expert repairs and reliable solutions to keep your hot water flowing smoothly. Contact our water heater repair company today for consultation. Are you looking for a water heater repair company near me? You can stop looking. You found the Water Heater Warehouse. How long does a hot water heater last? The tenure of a hot water heater depends on a variety of factors, including the type of water heater, the energy source, the water type, and how well the unit is maintained. On average, water heaters last between 8 and 12 years, but with proper maintenance, some can last up to 20 years. Can I take a shower if my water heater is leaking? If the water heater discharge is minor, you can continue showering and using hot water for any other purpose. What is your water heater repair company area for the Fullerton, California office? Our local water heater repair company has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Fullerton, Westminster, Santa Ana, Sleepy Hollow, Diamond Bar, South San Jose Hills, Whittier, Norwalk, Lakewood, Cypress, Midway City, Garden Grove, Orange, Villa Park, Santa Fe Springs, Stanton, Los Alamitos, Yorba Linda, California. Where is your Fullerton, California water heater replacement located? We are located at 1114 East Truslow Avenue, Fullerton, CA. Our phone number is 714-244-8562. Visit our website, http://www.twaterheaterwarehouse.com/